Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily Health Shift. I'm Daniel. Today's episode is all about sleep optimization. We're calling it Sleep Smarter, how to fix your sleep and wake up energized. Sleep isn't just about quantity, it's about quality. And today, I'll walk you through why sleep matters, common mistakes, my own sleep transformation, and step-by-step strategies to help you sleep better starting tonight. We all know sleep is important, but many people underestimate just how much it affects. Poor sleep increases risk of heart disease, weight gain, depression, and even Alzheimer's. Studies from the National Sleep Foundation show adults who sleep less than 6 hours per night have a 45% higher risk of heart attacks. Sleep isn't just about rest, it's about repair. During sleep, your body resets hormone levels, clears toxins from the brain, and strengthens the immune system. Research from the University of California, Berkeley, found that people who sleep less than 7 hours regularly show higher levels of inflammatory markers, which accelerate aging and disease. One listener story that stuck with me is from Olivia in New York. Daniel, I was always exhausted and thought it was just life. But once I fixed my sleep routine, everything changed. Mood, focus, even my workouts improved. Beyond energy and mood, sleep directly affects cognitive performance. The American Academy of Sleep Medicine reports that sleep-deprived individuals experience a 30–40% drop in problem-solving skills, memory retention, and emotional regulation. And it's not just quantity, it's quality. Fragmented sleep, light sleep stages, and frequent wake-ups can all undermine your health even if you're technically in bed for 7 to 8 hours. Here's the key takeaway. Sleep is the foundation for physical health, mental clarity, and emotional balance. Consistently getting high-quality sleep reduces disease risk, improves performance, and boosts overall well-being. In the next part, we'll dive into the most common sleep mistakes I see people make and how to avoid them. Common sleep mistakes. 30. Now let's break down the most common sleep mistakes I see people making, both from my own experience and from listener feedback. Mistake 1. Using screens late at night. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and TVs suppresses melatonin production, which is the hormone that signals your body it's time to sleep. Research from Harvard Medical School shows that exposure to blue light can delay melatonin release by up to 90 minutes. One listener, Sarah from Chicago, shared, "I used to scroll on my phone in bed. Once I started putting it down an hour before sleep, I noticed I fell asleep faster and felt more rested." Mistake 2. Caffeine too late in the day. Caffeine has a half-life of 5 to 6 hours, meaning it can stay in your system much longer than people realize. For most adults, cutting off caffeine after 2 p.m. improves sleep quality dramatically. A study from the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine confirmed that consuming caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime reduced total sleep time by over an hour on average. Mistake 3. Inconsistent sleep-wake times. Your body's circadian rhythm thrives on routine. Irregular bedtimes and wake-up times confuse your internal clock, leading to poor sleep quality, even if the total hours are similar. Aim to go to bed and wake up within the same 30-minute window every day, including weekends. Mistake 4. Overthinking in bed. Many people treat their bed as a place to process the day's worries, which conditions the brain to associate the bed with stress rather than sleep. Keeping a journal nearby to write down thoughts before bed can help clear mental clutter. Mistake 5. Poor sleep environment. This includes having too much light, noise, or an uncomfortable room temperature. Optimal sleep happens in a cool, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius, dark and quiet environment. Using blackout curtains and white noise machines can make a big difference. Now that we've covered the common mistakes, let me share my personal sleep optimization toolkit. These are habits I've built over the years through trial, error, and research. Set a consistent sleep-wake schedule. I go to bed by 10:30 p.m. and wake up at 6:30 a.m. almost every day. Block blue light after sunset. I use blue light blocking glasses and apps like Flux on my computer and phone. Keep bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Blackout curtains, white noise machine, and keeping the thermostat at 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Limit caffeine after 2 p.m. I switch to herbal tea or decaf in the afternoons. Nighttime wind down routine. I start winding down 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This includes reading fiction, gentle stretching, or journaling gratitude and intentions for the next day. Magnesium supplement. I take 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate, which helps with relaxation and muscle recovery. Listener story. Paul from Texas shared, "Just cutting out screens after 9 p.m. helped me fall asleep twice as fast." I hear versions of this story almost every week. It's small adjustments like this that add up to big improvements in sleep quality. In the next part, we'll create a step-by-step sleep plan so you can put these ideas into action starting tonight. My sleep optimization toolkit. Set a consistent sleep-wake schedule. Block blue light after sunset. Keep bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Limit caffeine after 2 p.m. Nighttime wind down routine, reading, journaling, or stretching. Magnesium supplement. Listener story. Paul from Texas shared, "Just cutting out screens after 9 p.m. helped me fall asleep twice as fast." Now that you've learned the fundamentals, let's walk through how to build your own sleep plan step by step. Step 1. Set a target bedtime and wake-up time. Aim for a 7 to 9 hour sleep window and stick to it daily, even on weekends. Example: sleep from 10:30 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. Step 2. Create a 30-minute wind-down routine. Choose 2 to 3 calming activities you enjoy. It could be reading, stretching, journaling, or listening to calming music. One listener, Anna from California, shared, "My wind down includes herbal tea, a skincare routine, and 10 minutes of gratitude journaling. It's my favorite part of the day now." Step 3. Optimize your sleep environment. Make sure your room is cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in blackout curtains, a white noise machine, and comfortable bedding. The National Sleep Foundation recommends bedroom temperatures between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal sleep. Step 4. Track sleep quality using a journal or sleep tracker. Note bedtime, wake time, sleep interruptions, and how rested you feel each morning. Apps like Sleep Cycle or simple pen and paper logs can work. Bonus tip: troubleshoot common issues. If you're struggling to fall asleep, revisit your caffeine cutoff time or increase wind down duration. If waking up during the night is a problem, check room temperature or try magnesium supplements. Here's a sample evening schedule for reference. 9:30 p.m. Start wind down. Dim lights, turn off screens. 9:45 p.m. Stretching or light yoga. 10 p.m. Reading fiction or journaling. 10:30 p.m. Lights out, sleep. By following this structured approach and customizing it to your lifestyle, you can dramatically improve your sleep quality and feel more energized each day. All right, friends, that's it for today's episode. If this helped you, share it with someone struggling with sleep. And if you want more real-world health advice, subscribe to the Daily Health Shift. Next week, we're diving into gut health basics. I'll see you then.